travelling around about 160, 170 miles per hour. MP, this bike is now slowing considerably behind heavies on the motorway, trying to evade us.
False number plate, IC1 rider, black helmet, dark colour top and dark colour shorts and dark trainers.
Past the services, he stopped on the hard shoulder, he's run out of fuel.
Impact, we are 1 minute out. Keep eyes on please, 96, should there, lane 3 moving now.
All units, he's gone the wrong way on the M1 and he's gone back into the service stations. Commit into the services, he's gone the wrong way into the services.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. I just want to let you know that this video is brought to you by LOKPRO. We've teamed up to offer you some of the best protection you can have for your disc locks on your bike. We're going to be giving away a LOKPRO helm to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do is head down to the description and follow the link. Good luck. Marion Vasilika Dragoli, 19 years old, of Trenton Terrace, Haringey, pleaded guilty to dangerous driving, failing to stop for police, driving a motor vehicle without insurance, and driving without any insurance at Highbury Corner Magistrates Court on Monday, the 23rd of November. During his police interview, Dragoli admitted to all of the driving offences and will be sentenced at Wood Green Crown Court on Thursday, the 14th of January 2021. At about 21:20 hours on Wednesday, the 20th of May, officers from the Met's Operation Venice Command were dealing with a separate matter in Turnpike Lane when a number of high-powered motorcycles cut across their path, making off at speed. As police units entered green lanes, they could just make out a small plate on one of the motorcycles. This later transpired to be a false registration plate, and the rider, later established to be Dragoli, was riding alone and did not know the other motorcyclists. As Dragoli continued to ride off at speed, officers made progress to catch up with him but could see he was accelerating away. Inquiries revealed Dragoli was the rightful owner of the bike, although he did not hold appropriate license or insurance to operate the bike. A pursuit was shortly authorised and officers requested assistance from NPAS, the National Police and Air Service helicopter.
Continues M1, travelling around about 160, 170 miles per hour, just approaching the junction of the M25. And the vehicle's now just approaching junction 12, past the service area, now approaching junction 12. It's just approaching now junction 13. MP, this bike is now slowing considerably behind heavies on the motorway, trying to evade us. I believe it's obviously aware of our presence.
Very small number plate, false number plate, IC1 rider, black helmet, dark colour top and dark colour shorts and dark trainers. Yes, sir, thank you.
MP, the vehicle's now stop on the hard shoulder, past the services, just under the bridge, past the services. He stopped on the hard shoulder, he's run out of fuel.
Impact, we are 1 minute out. Keep eyes on please, 96, should there, lane 3 moving now.
All units, he's gone the wrong way on the M1 and he's gone back into the service stations. Commit into the services, he's gone the wrong way into the services.
One, can you get a rolling roadblock up to the services and then units into it, please?
Scorpion 2, rolling roadblock into the services received.
Dragoli went through multiple red lights, drove on the wrong side of the road and travelled well in excess of the speed limits. The MPS's Tactical Pursuit and Containment Cars, TPAC, lost sight of the motorbike, but the MPAS helicopter was able to assist and continue to trace the bike. Dragoli continued to drive dangerously at high speeds, whilst MPAS clocked him doing 70 mph in a 20. Shortly afterwards, he was driving well in excess of 100 mph. Once on the M1 heading towards Hertfordshire, Dragoli was travelling at more than 150 mph. Dragoli also entered Bedfordshire, where the MPAS reported the motorcycle was hitting speeds of 180 mph. Shortly after this, Dragoli made his way into Buckinghamshire, where he rode on the wrong side of the M11 and on the hard shoulder to enter a service station. Operation Venice officers managed to make it to the service station before Dragoli could refuel and were able to safely stop the motorbike on the petrol station forecourt. The incident lasted more than 30 minutes, and Dragoli was arrested on suspicion of dangerous driving, theft of a motorcycle, failing to stop for police, driving other than in accordance with a license and no insurance. The arresting officer, Sergeant Tony McGovern from the Met's Operation Venice Command, said, "At one point of the pursuit, Dragoli went straight through every red light he was confronted with. He rode on the wrong side of the road in his attempts to get away and even mounted pavements. Throughout the pursuit, he continued to ride in a dangerous manner, and he only had the MPAS helicopter tracking him without any police vehicles on the ground or anywhere near him. He failed to stop for police and continued to put his own life at risk and the lives of other road users as well." After all of that, you find the rider's just wearing a t-shirt, some shorts and some trainers, and he's doing 180 mph. I'm pretty sure there would be nothing left for you to do a skin graft of him. If he came off and crashed, I'm pretty sure, I don't know what you guys think, I'm pretty sure he'd be dead at 180 mph. But if by some miracle he would survive, then he would probably wish he would be dead, because I can only imagine how horrific those injuries would have been. It's, you know, pretty damn lucky he didn't crash. But I want to know what you guys think. As always, drop me a comment down below. Thank you for watching. You've been awesome. I've been legit. I'll see you in the next one.